At Copel TV Repair with a functionality proof and a note on an LG mainboard. This is for 60PN5000-UA. This is the board. I'm focusing on something unique and I will get back to it in a second. It is installed in a testing unit here. This is 1 hour board. HDMI is playing through the side HDMI, which I believe is HDMI1. Bunch of other boards. This is an image on the TV. As you can see, playing fine. I'm gonna shut it off and get on to my notes. Okay, that goes there. And then I'm gonna disconnect it and get all that. This is a repair board that is about to be sent to a customer who bought a working board in place of a replacement for their supposedly defective one. And I want to add a few notes that will be valid for this customer and possibly others. And the first one common problem with those boards is people kill the HDMI port that is on the side. They just pull a cable or something like that, and it just breaks. And when it breaks, it actually damages the board as well. So this was the case here, and it was damaged pretty badly. It was totally ripped off. All of the side ports, all of the tracks that are on the board have gone bad. And we had to do, well, reasonable amount of micro soldering here to get this whole thing working. This is how it looks, and we use a replacement HDMI port, not the same as the original. As a result, the port goes a little bit outside of the board. Normally it is at the edge of the board, just like the USB port above it. But the one that we use is slightly different, and it goes a little bit out, and it may also be just a tad higher than the original one. So this may not fit perfectly in the plastic cover that goes on top of those. If it doesn't, just use something sharp and scratch a little bit of the opening of the HDMI port of your plastic cover so that this can fit in through. And it shouldn't be a lot of work. It definitely is working. We've done this. This is going to be holding reliably well for a reasonably long time. And it is covered with a coat here just because there are so many wires that are going so close. You know, don't be scared by that. It is well done. I'm sorry, well done and working. So good luck using it. That same video I may be showing for others in the future who have similar adjustment to the HDMI port. Thank you.